Hi, I'm Michael. If your church uses Rock, you can integrate Clearstream to easily start texting your church. Whether you're having a one-on-one conversation with your first-time guests or sending an important update to 20,000 members, Clearstream makes it easy. Set up workflows for sending automated follow-up texts and create sub-accounts for managing different campuses or ministries in your church. I'm going to walk you through how the integration works and what all you can do, but if you're ready to set it up, just click here. It's worth noting you can also use Clearstream within Rock with our SMS transport plugin, which we built specifically for Rock. Here's a link to our plugin in the Rock shop, but for now, we're going to focus on how to use Rock within Clearstream. With our direct integration, you can easily sync your groups and communication lists into Clearstream to text them. And it's not just sending out mass texts. People can also reply. When people text back, it won't be a messy group thread. Each incoming text will go into your Clearstream inbox, and you can easily reply from your computer or your phone using the Clearstream iPhone or Android app. Your Clearstream account will sync with Rock every day, so changes made in Rock will automatically be reflected in Clearstream. You likely already use Rock to connect and follow up with first-time guests. With Clearstream, you can let your guests text in a keyword during service and instantly receive a digital connect card to their phone. Then once they fill it out, automatically sync that info to Rock to create a new person. There's no manual data entry here. When someone texts in, we'll automatically search Rock for their phone number to find a matching profile. If there's a match, rather than creating them as a new person, we'll instantly sync that info into Clearstream. That way you know exactly who you're talking to. You can even set up a customized text to send to brand new people versus someone who already exists in Rock. If you're a multi-campus church, you can use the same keyword for every campus, but have each person receive a campus-specific response. With smart keywords, you can use a single keyword and send different responses based on someone's campus in Rock. You can even route them to a Clearstream sub-account for their specific campus. For people who don't have a campus ID, they'll automatically receive a list of campus options to choose from. Along with all of that, we have a Rock plugin that you can install from the Rock shop. With our plugin, Clearstream replaces Twilio as the SMS transport for sending and receiving all of your text messages. You can utilize all of Rock's texting-related features, such as SMS pipelines and SMS conversations. Your phone numbers are stored in Clearstream, and Clearstream is handling everything on the back end, but your team can handle everything within Rock. Best of all, you can use the plugin and our direct integration at the same time. So send text in Rock when you need to, and use Clearstream for smart keywords in our powerful inbox. Here are a few things to consider. Clearstream is a full texting app built specifically to meet the needs of the church. Our web and native mobile apps are beautiful and easy to use, but if you need advanced or custom functionality, you can always use our APIs, webhooks, or even our Zapier app. We're also directly connected to a Tier 1 aggregator, which results in substantially higher message throughput, faster troubleshooting, and reliable message delivery. Lastly, our support team is very fast, very knowledgeable, with no additional cost for support. If you have any questions about using Rock and Clearstream together, or if you need any help getting started, just reach out to our team. We're happy to help.